Let's have some fun with PieMaster and AI. So I wanted to test something if it was possible with one prompt to create full menus for PieMaster using AI. So I sent a preset I created with the add-on as an example, and it created this. And as you can see, it's working nicely. If I add my icon, I will have my icon. Okay, so I had to edit it, obviously it wasn't perfect, so what I did was to create a file specific for AI to know how the add-on works, and like that I will be able to add a prompt and do whatever I want. Okay, so what I want for this is to create a layout menu this time with column and add the primitive for each column: mesh, curve, light, others, and check the API also to be sure. I added an example for the light because it wasn't perfect for this one. Everything was working, but not this. And also I'm asking it to create a theme color for this menu and to add a color to the section buttons. So let's launch it and we will see what it will create and if it will work. Okay, it's done. Let's try it. I will download it. I will go inside Blender, import my preset here, and bam! This is exactly what I have. So this is nice. I have the color for the sections. And let's try the light. Will it work? Now the lights are not working. So I can still edit the light, obviously. I can go here and can replace this button up with the proper settings, and now if I click I have my light. Okay, so as you can see, this is a way to make your menus with the help of AI, and like that, after that you just have to edit it easily. Like that, bam, it's done. Same for this one, remove the image reference. Like that for the spot, up, let's edit it like that, replace it, done. Same for the sun, etc, etc. This is a lot of time you will gain, and you can also ask the AI to make a different theme and do whatever you want. If you like this one, you can save it. So let's name it as you want and save it. You will have it. After that, you can use the default theme to have something like that too. This is a possibility. Okay, so it was a test, but I think it will be nice. The file, the AI file will be inside the add-on, so like that you will be able to test.